Hey Crazy Fam, it's Angie. We're at Pemperton's Haunted Acres checking out a preview of this year's haunted house, and it's going to be amazing. Let's go inside and let's have some spooky fun. We are here with Journey with Josh, Park Riders, and Davie over there. Say hi, the late person who's always late. Right now we're checking out the new area, which this is going to be the Hillbilly Maze from last year. Right over there is a new scare zone, which they're about to announce what it's going to be, which they already gave us a sneak peek, and I'm very excited. I'm excited to go inside.
Old daylight tour.
There's something digging over there.
Yeah.
It looks creepy just
in daytime?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So, alright, well, you guys can come on in. I feel like this is an MTV Cribs episode.
Right. Let's go on in. MTV Cribs. Davey, I promise you won't die this time. Come on.
Yeah, no dying at all this time.
This is pre-death, alright? Come on, Vicky. I'm excited. So the fun area has definitely changed a little bit.
It's our living room again. A little different before. There's like 22 rooms or something this year again. Something like that. We're still under construction, obviously. Our little collections room.
I like the way this looks already.
The kitchen.
Yeah.
The kitchen's always my favorite.
Yeah.
But it being a little bit longer
this year.
Yeah, I like it. But it's going to be all this brown color, right?
It's going to get distressed, yeah.
I like it.
And then that you guys can actually go up there if you want.
Oh, really?
And you can actually look out at everything.
Alright, let's go. Take that invite.
You can see an overview of. You can go up if you want and get like an overview.
Oh, wow.
So there's the closet.
The closet here, yeah, so that's going to be really awesome. Maybe back up to Josh. So right there, there's a closet scene. This is amazing to see up close like this, like above. This is really cool. Closet scenes are always scary. I can't wait to check that out. There's that toilet right there. That sprayed right here. Definitely gonna spray it near she and one. But this is absolutely amazing. Hey, can you say hi, Vicky? This is really cool. Now let's check out this side. This is really cool how they do it. Isn't this cool? This is awesome.
I've always wanted to go up these stairs too whenever we've been here.
You know what's scary?
Say whoa.
Whoa. I was gonna say, you know what's not cool? That damn closet.
I know you hate closets.
Every time there's a closet, I'm out.
Was that what you said years ago? But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get out of here.
You know, the rat hall.
The rat hallway.
No, it was not my favorite.
Is that where we see the New York sewer rats?
I remember last year I hit my head.
Yeah, and then they got that Jumanji stuff.
Oh yeah, the Jumanji stuff.
Not that smart.
Oh my god, there's one now.
So cool. Now this room is famous because of me, right?
Yeah.
Remember that? Played the Ouija board on this table.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh no.
It's
Gotta do it again.
Jumanji stuff comes
Let's
out.
do it again.
Albino gopher. Never seen one in my life.
Only at Pemperton. You'll see albino gophers.
And honey badgers.
Honey badgers. That's what they are.
And then the pantry.
I was trying to guess what they were. I changed up the pantry this year. This looks good. So everything's definitely gonna be like changed up. Do they have what we're looking for? Oh my.
I don't like the fog. I don't want to go in or come out.
The toilet scene. Oh my god, let's get a look when it's not spraying.
I can't wait until the generator goes gone.
You ready, David? Going into the closet.
You know, this part wasn't needed. Oh, another drop window on that.
Yep. Oh, the area where you can get scared.
I gotta love kangaroo.
Stop it! Damn it! Stop touching me.
I think about it, your imagination.
No, the clothes.
Oh, the clothes. Oh, look at this, David.
I believe this is the new room for this year.
Yeah, you know what happened? You can see those Tide Pods.
Yeah, he was definitely eating the Tide Pods. That's
Well,
definitely what
actually,
happened.
those are all liquid, so.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Need to do laundry?
Yeah.
Now, this isn't my first look at this house. Obviously, I've been here pretty long.
What some people might say simple, but I'm assuming it takes a lot of work. Just distressing the walls.
Yeah.
Like, this isn't just, you know, they're actually distressing. This is like,
Yeah, exactly.
and it's like every inch. Just distressed. And that alone, I'm assuming takes a lot of time to distress every single wall.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm actually chill right now. When I walk through it, I'm crying. Wishing I didn't walk in.
I'm gonna start selling the pens at the merch booth. This is our spine for our actors to get around and emergency exits. It's kind of a mess right now because we're in the middle of wiring, but there'll be emergency exits. As you can tell, we have exits everywhere that point you out. So in case of emergency, we always have that emergency exit doors. But this is kind of like the behind the stage scenes of wiring and just TV monitors so that the actors know when to get you perfectly, stuff like that.
Nice.
So it's all, and then a fan, which is very essential right now.
David, which weapon are you going to die from?
I'm the type I would just fall with that.
You're right. You're 100% right on that.
And then our infamous laser swamp.
Ah, laser
Yeah,
swamp.
this is where that Jurassic Park or Jumanji shit comes.
I knew he was gone for a reason.
Damn, I almost fell out.
I don't like that.
Oh my god, that was great.
You don't even need to put the laser, okay? Yeah, that stuff. This is what I'm talking
This thing almost took me out.
That's what I get for being late, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
I deserve it.
Alright, I'm officially hired, okay? I love you, Davie. You expected to hang out with me and not get scared?
Oh, that's funny. The famous gator.
We call it ray gun.
Ray gun?
Yeah. From the Australian dancer at the Olympics the one year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha. That's funny.
It's all actor driven. You just hit a button on the back side there and you move it. That's it.
Oh, someone's back there controlling it then, okay. How far does it come out, Richie? How far?
It'll go to that bump stop that
Okay.
so the actor knows not to go any more past that. Basically, I surround it so it can't fall off the platform.
Oh, that's awesome.
Things that pawners, you got to figure out all the worst outcomes.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and then our greenhouse / back porch scene. We all covered in ivy and vines.
Yeah, that was cool last year. Can I press this button? Just kidding. Davey, how do you feel?
And this year,
You okay?
they added the
Yeah, I'm fine. I brought a change of clothes. Yeah, always. See, this is what I'm saying. I felt like last year when we walked in, I got hit by a car or nudged or something.
Car? Yes, the car does come out.
Oh,
Yeah, see,
wow.
that was the scene where all hell was breaking loose. It was crazy.
You
Yeah.
guys remember the car?
I love the car.
So,
Richie, how far does it come out this year?
huh?
How far does it come out this year?
Right there.
Oh, heck yeah. My big booty self gonna get hit real good. Get hit from the bag. Listen, I forgot. I got some PG channels here. I apologize.
No,
I'm
that's
not
okay.
PG. I'm not very PG.
That
It's
is
just
okay.
trip by sensor, you know, and the lights come on. What? It has the horn. Some of our other guys here we started bringing in some cropping. They all go in the barn. And then this will all be covered in corn and stuff, and then he'll be coming out of it. So. That looks like Josh.
Dude, I was gonna say it's my parents, but
Which one?
No, you.
And then the last group of the evening is the barn. So you guys know how detrimental it is in here. Barn animals hanging everywhere, chainsaws.
Wait, you said barn animals hanging everywhere? Is
Yeah.
David gonna be hanging somewhere?
Probably.
I didn't say
More than enough.
I didn't say it. So
Intense.
yeah, this should be like and then we have a special surprise at the very end this year. So
Oh, can't wait.
I heard that.
Can't wait for that special surprise. We're going this way, okay. That was a cool pond right there. Cool behind the scenes look.
yeah, for sure. It's always see a lot more in the daytime.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
So, all right. Do we want to do that one?
Yeah. Great behind the scenes look. David, I think, almost died in there. I'm sorry I gave you false hope that he wasn't going to die. Take it into the bayou. I'll post this after they announce it, but this is going to be a bayou haunted house, bayou scare zone, which is going to be absolutely amazing.
A lot of work. These pieces weigh anywhere from 50 to 200 pounds, or at least something like that. Some of them are girthy, as Josh.
I was about to say some of them were very heavy.
Yeah.
Some of them were also not as easy to cut as others.
Yeah.
I feel like we're about to enter King Kong's lair.
King Kong's lair.
I
Yeah.
picked up some of these actually. I helped
Isn't
build
it?
some of this.
Yeah.
I signed one of the boards. All right.
Oh, you did?
I sure did.
Show us which one you signed, Josh.
Might be covered with a thing right now,
Oh, okay.
but it's over towards that way. It was like when we first started actually laying it out.
Yeah. Horrible. Like I said, I ain't been out here.
So actually, cool story for this one. I actually helped build a little bit of this. Not a lot of it. It's been a while since I've been out here. Look.
Huh?
Oh, one board. All right.
Yeah. So literally.
It was like 5.
Yeah.
But I did help put some boards up.
So this first one here is it's a bait and tackle. It's not done yet, but like I said, we haven't been on this trail in about a month and a half. So we've been focusing that house. But bait and tackle, it's got to get the stress ball still. But fish hanging, your tackle needs, all that stuff. But it'll look good. And then when we kind of start wrapping around, we start getting to the actual bayou itself. So how we have the laser swamp in the other house, this whole trail will be almost a laser swamp.
Oh, nice.
So this will be your first shack.
Yep.
And essentially, the lasers that'll come in, they're gonna dive into the ground right here, and they'll get higher as you go.
Oh, wow.
So it'll be a whole thing, and then it'll dive back into the dirt, like you're actually walking in the water of the swamp. So, and then, you know, a bayou's not straight, it's always bending and gets narrow at times, so I'll let you guys go ahead and, this spot here is my favorite. It gets very narrow. And it's beautiful.
Very detailed, even though it's not.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Kind of like your boat dock.
Oh, wow.
It says that you will have actors all along here. Oh, there's real big
Wow.
spot.
So apparently what they're going to see is actors all around this area,
This is our,
which is going to be scary.
harbor.
The harbor?
Deal. So the lasers will be about, 4 or 5 inches around here, and you'll be walking under it. You got your monsters underneath coming out. You got actors above you. So you've got it from both angles, and you're in the middle.
Nice.
So
Wow. You hear that, David?
Yeah, definitely.
I'm still trying to recover from over there. And then some boats getting a little nice and
Weathered.
weathered. This boat here, by the time the laser hits it, it'll hit it pretty much like right across the steering wheel, so you'll only see the top.
Oh, wow.
So it'll look like it's sunk in the mud,
Wow.
you know,
That's cool.
once we get some dirt packed underneath it. I have to get this out of the way. Get some tractors in here.
So is this gonna be closed in here after?
Yep, there'll be another house here. We gotta, once we get all this stuff moved and put in, we have one more boat to set, and then we'll close this off.
So eventually this will be a house.
Yeah, a little facade piece with another dock coming out,
Oh, nice.
and then next year we can expand it back a little bit. So we have there's like a creek that runs right there to those palmettos. We have another, I don't know, 120 feet to go to expand this trail back.
Oh, nice.
So endless opportunities.
And you said
Yeah.
these are 16 foot, right?
Majority of them, yes. So 16s and I think they're 12. Maybe a couple
It's
intermediate.
like crazy, like all this is like under these really old windows,
Yeah.
all covered.
You know, it's so
The whole
cool.
thing's gonna be a laser swamp
I know,
too.
it's like, it totally fits
You're gonna
the
be
mood, I
screaming
mean,
the whole time.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so cool that you bought this land and now you have so much opportunity to expand and do whatever you like. This is going to be amazing.
It's gonna be something. I just hope I can keep up with it. I feel like I'm getting older.
How old are you, Joe? Yeah. Richie, how old are you?
I'll be 32 this year.
I feel bad for
So
I'm already winded walking through here. I'm old.
so that's gonna be photo walk and other things. So we have a divider walk coming this way. That'll make you force you this way. There'll be a facade piece there, and then a photo up on the other side. And then you'll kind of, because we got to get in here with some tractors as well. So this This will get framed out this way. It'll kick you around this way to interact with there, and then fishtail you out that way.
Okay, so we exited.
Yeah, you'll exit around this building here. So, and then we can test the boat. We got to get in here yet. So, not fun, not easy. Good thing there's heavy equipment. But, and then this is our concessions.
Okay.
We'll do hamburgers and pastries and all that good stuff.
I'm hungry.
I know. And it'll be the best hamburgers you've ever had, I swear. I've already had some. Especially the one, it's going to be a bourbon maple covering, glazing on the hamburger. Oh yeah. And then there'll be a rodeo burger with onion rings and jalapenos, and it'll be good.
Well, while I do all that, I can tell that's going to be my last meal. That's a good name for the restaurant.
My last meal.
Because you're going to die out here.
So we have 2 power pools, one down there and one here. This will feed our eventually our pool barns that'll go in.
Okay.
We have zoned out here. They're both 200 amp services, and they'll feeding everything that we need. So, but
This is amazing.
we have this closed off for right now, but we can expand on the other side of that fence. So, plenty of room, plenty of scary things to happen.
What's that yellow structure gonna be?
That actually was, they used to do the mud runs out here.
Oh, okay.
The Mud Titan, I think is what it was called, or something like that. That was one of the obstacles that was left. And it kind of wrapped this whole area, kind of.
Man, endless possibilities with that too.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Davey, you get the phone.
Come on, hop on in. Go for a little ride.
Yeehaw.
You in? I can pick on him. He's out here enough. Right? Over there where these gates are will be like the entrance of this area. We have it blocked off right now because of the cows. But after season, we'll let them back in and stuff, you know. Just we're trying to prep the ground for everybody. But then the merch booth will go over here. And then we have merch booth on this side. And then we'll have a photo op right here. It'll be a custom built 16 by something photo op. It'll go right there. And then this here is our scare zone for this year. The setting is old antique farm style. It'll be called Crow's Revenge. And it'll be kind of like a retaliation from all the scarecrows going back on the old farmers.
Oh wow.
You know,
Yeah.
So you'll have farmers walking around kind of like a scarecrow pose, and the scarecrows got wielding chainsaws and pitchforks and stuff like that. So chainsaws, all that stuff for you. Tractors, old tractors and stuff like that. Scarecrow steadings. And then this here will be our ticket booth up here. We have power ran for it. Next year is when we're building a massive front gate right here. And then it'll have like a little box office built inside of it. And then over here is our main parking once it gets done. I was told by the end of this month. We'll see. It's got to get seated and leveled yet. covered bridge that goes over and cuts you around all that way. We already have plans of like the old school, you see the in Maine and stuff, those covered bridge, old Victorian style bridges. That's our game plan for now. That's kind of backstages. As I said, the concession stand is going in. You'll actually go inside and it'll be like a old school, like school line service, you know.
Okay.
It'll be like that. You know, just trying to get it done in 60 days. So, and like I said, another attraction trail going in the woods there for next. Plenty of space.
Oh, absolutely.
So it's just a lot of walking,
Yeah.
as you can tell. I mean, I think they used to do something like that up in New Hampshire or something. It was like a zombie run. It was like a 5K, get chased by zombies as well.
Very
You
nice.
ever heard of that?
Yep.
Yeah,
So-
that'd be great.
I'd be like, find some fit scare actors and, you know.
Absolutely.
Or just
What?
stick a donut in front of me. I'll chase anybody.
There you go. Come on. You don't gotta be fit. With a stick on the back tape.
You don't gotta be fit. Just stick food in front of me. I'll run.
Yellow. That was from the mud runs that used to be out here. It was obstacle. They would climb it, and then there was like a monkey bar section, and then they had to get back over it. But
Oh, wow.
and way back there, you can kind of see there's some tires.
Okay, right.
Yeah, that was another obstacle. There's one way over there. And then there's like a couple balance beam sections over there. Some of it is just kind of falling apart. It's been a couple years since
And
it's.
that's all your
Yeah. So I think we can all fit. You guys could ride in the bed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we could all fit in the cart, and we can go for a little zip round. And I can give you a whole show of the acreage that we have to use.
Sounds good.
So, but yeah, just future, you know, it'll be kind of like a U shape of pole barns that'll go in here. So
Okay.
it'll be a wrap, boom, boom, and then one this way. And then we'll eventually eliminate the trails. We'll get rid of trails and just be all indoor.
Oh, wow.
So
Nice.
that's the future goal here in a couple years. Have 5 houses and massive wraparound hayride.
Can you say you're gonna have 6 but only do 5? I know another home that's doing that.
This tour was absolutely amazing. The mind that he has for this haunted house is absolutely amazing. He's going to turn this place into a horror park one day, and it's going to be so awesome. Like him telling us his plans and his future plans, excuse me. I mean, it's absolutely incredible what he plans on doing. You guys got to make sure you show up for Pempertons this year so you can support them so they can build even bigger, because holy cow, they have 70 acres and they have a ton of space to do whatever they like with it. And guys, make sure you come support them this September and October. So anyways, guys, this was a fun tour. I want to thank Pemperton Hunters. I want to thank the other content creators, Davie, Journey with Josh, and Park Riders. It's been an excellent day. So live life, have fun, and be kind. Till next time, press that subscribe button.